An air conditioning system can lose a small percentage of its gas each year, which could mean your system becomes less able to keep you cool and refreshed. During an air conditioning service, we'll drain and recharge the system, check hoses, filters, belts and connections, and make sure the compressor and condenser are working correctly. This will also help maintain the mechanical integrity of the system. Our technicians will also give your air conditioning system an ultrasonic antibacterial and odour treatment that eliminates any contamination. Whilst your car is with us, our trained technicians will also conduct a thorough visual check of your vehicle's safety-related components, providing you with a written condition report and expert advice.